Well, I guess I'm kind of back. Started working on my Speedmaster heads. As you can see, trying to clean up the sharp edges in there. And see how these are the only two I have started on. Not quite done. But you can see the comparison to the others. You can see the sharp edges down inside there. I'm trying to get rid of, but and on the intake side, see how they're like just like CNC'd, just like maybe a 1/4 inch in, and that's about it. And they left them real nasty ridges in there. Should help. Just put tape on them to keep the stuff from going down into the water jackets a little anyway. But that's just what I'm up to now. I know it's been a while, but thanks for sticking around.